Hi guys, welcome to this developer channel. Today we are going to see HTML DOM, JavaScript and JavaScript selectors. But before proceeding this video further, I am willing to inform you that in this developer on-site channel, we are planning to put videos related to these technologies. If you are new to this channel and not subscribed yet, then subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to be notified with upcoming development related videos. Let's see what is HTML DOM. When a web page is loaded, browser will create a document object model of the web page. It can be constructed as a tree of the object, like this. At the top of this tree, it would be a document. Beside it, under the documents, there would be a root element HTML. Inside the HTML, there would be head and a body. Inside the head, generally, we are defining our script code, style sets, and the title tags. Whereas in body tag, we are defining HTML elements like div or input, text box, button, checkbox kind of elements. Let's see one of the HTML documents as I have created. See, at the top of this HTML page, there is a document. Below the documents, we have an HTML tag. Inside the HTML, there can be a head and a body. Inside the head, we are defining style and script codes, whereas other HTML elements are defined into this body element. So the HTML is created as per the HTML DOM structure. Now let's start from the JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language used for web development. It can modify both HTML elements and CSS for HTML elements. It can be used to calculate, manipulate, and validate the data. Other uses for making interactive look and feel to web pages, like zooming or zooming out an image, displaying a timer or countdown, playing audio and video in a web pages, displaying animation, client-side data validation, etc. So there are basically three types of JavaScript declarations we can do: external, internal JavaScript, and inline script. Let's see using a code reference. See, this is an example of inline JavaScript declaration, and this is the methods which is defined internal of the same document. This is the JavaScript method which we are calling from the same document's script tag. So this is internal JS declaration, and another one is an external JavaScript declaration where this function is defined into some file which we have given a reference here, myscriptfile.js, which will contain the definition for that method. Yet click from external file. Now let's look few of the DOM selectors. Like DOM selectors are how to find HTML elements using JavaScript. There are basically 5 types of different DOM selectors. First one is document.getElementById. For example, variable x is equal to documents.getElementByTagName button. So it will return all the elements whose tag names as button. It will return all the elements having the tag name as button. Second one is the document.getElementsByClassName. So in this case, all the elements having the class myClassNames would be written. Third one is a document.getElementById. In this case, only one element would be written whose ID is equal to unique element ID. The fourth one is document.querySelector. So in this case, only one HTML DOM elements would be written whose class is heading. And the fifth one is document.getElementById. In this case, all the HTML elements would be written whose class is my common class. So, okay guys, subscribe this channel for more development related videos. Thanks for watching.